Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AdMath. Students, today we are going to do question from past paper October-November 2012 paper 2-1, topic circular measure. And the question is, in the diagram PQ and RS are arcs of concentric circles with center O and angle POQ is 1 radian. The radius of the larger circle is x centimeter and the radius of the smaller circle is y centimeter. Part number 1. Given that the perimeter of the shaded region is 20 centimeter, express y in terms of x. 2 marks. Very easy question. First we have to write perimeter of shaded region. How to find perimeter of shaded region? It means we have to add all those lengths which are touches to the shaded region. One is arc PQ, arc length PQ. Second is the length of QS. Third is arc length of RS. So shortly you have to write arc RS. And finally the length of PR. So if you find all these things, you will get the perimeter of the shaded region. How to find the arc length PQ? The formula of arc length is r theta. For sector PQ, the radius is y and the theta is 1 plus the length of QS. The radius of the big sector is x and the radius of small sector is y. Therefore, QS is x minus y plus arc length of RS, that is the arc length of big sector. So the formula of arc length is r theta. R is the radius of the big circle x and the theta is given is 1 radian plus the length of PR. Again the length of PR and QS is same, that is x minus y. And the value of this shaded region given in the question is 20 centimeter. Now y into 1 is y plus x minus y plus x into 1 is x plus x minus y is equals to 20. Add all x. 1x, 2x, 3x. This minus y cancel this plus y. So only negative y is remaining, 20. Now the question is write y in terms of x. It means we have to make y is the subject. So y is equals to 3x and shift 20 over here minus 20. This is the answer of part number 1. Y is equals to 3x minus 20. The requirement has fulfilled. Now what is next part? Given the area of the shaded region is 16 centimeter square, express y in terms of x square. Very easy. So how to find, this is part 2. How to find the area of shaded region. So the logic is we have to find the area of the whole diagram first. So area of the whole diagram represent the big sector, that is the area of sector SOR is equals to, what is the formula of the area of the sector? 1 upon 2 into radius square. The radius of the big sector is x square, multiply by the angle theta is 1. Therefore, the area of the whole diagram is half x square. Now find the area of the unshaded region, which represent the area of sector QOP. So write area of sector QOP half radius square. The radius of a small sector is y square into 1. So it is 1 upon 2 y square. Now find the area of the shaded region. Therefore, the area, one line, area of shaded region is the area of the whole diagram, which is 1 upon 2x square, minus the area of the unshaded part, that is 1 upon 2y square, is equals to what is given in the question? Given that the area of the shaded region is 16 centimeter square, express y square in terms of x square. Very easy. The value is given 16. Taking 2 is common. 1 upon 2 x square minus y square is equals to 16 is then x square minus y square is equals to 16 2s are 32. This 2 is divide over here. This should multiply by 16. So x square minus y square is 32, or you may write x square minus 32 is equals to y square. This is the answer of part 2, because the requirement is write y square in terms of x square. So the final answer is y square is equals to x square minus 32. Hope you understand this part. Very easy. Move to last part of the question. The last part is find the value of x and y. Very easy. What was the answer of first part? It is 3x minus 20 is equals to y. Assign the name of this equation is equation number 1. What is the answer of part 2? X square minus 32 is equals to y square. Assign the name of this equation is equation number 2. Now solve these two equations simultaneously. I am using the method of substitution. Put the value of y from equation number 1 in equation number 2. So x square minus 32 is equals to y square. Y is 3x minus 20 square. x square minus 32 is equals to, apply the formula a minus b whole square. So a square is 9 x square minus 2 3 is a 6, 6 into 20 is 120x 2ab plus 20 square b square 400. Shift left hand term on right hand side. X square move over there, so it will subtract from 9x square, that is 9x square minus x square is 8x square minus 120x. Shift minus 32 on right hand side, so it will be add in 400. 400 plus 32 is 432 is equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So divide the whole equation by 8. 8x square upon 8 is x square. 120 upon 8 is 15x. 432 upon 8 is 54 is equals to 0. You are AddMath student. You can solve this quadratic equation by applying any method, that is the method of factorization or the quadratic formula or the method of completing square. So this is your choice. The final answer of x is 9 or 6. Now put these two values in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is y is equals to 3x minus 20. So y is equals to 3, x is 9 minus 20. 3 9s are 27. 27 minus 20 is 7. And y is equals to 3 into x. X, the second value is 6 minus 20. Y is equals to 3 6 are 18. And 18 minus 20 is minus 2, which is not admissible. Why? Because you can see in the question, y is the radius, and radius is the scalar quantity, means positive quantity. Radius can never be negative. So we have to discard this value minus 2. The final answer of x is 9 and y is 7. This is our final answer. So hope you understand and enjoy this whole question. Very important. If you do practice like these questions, you will face these kind of questions in your final exam. That is October, November 2026 and May, June 2027. So hope you understand. I request all of you kindly to subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my channel, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.